Yes, family, you don't know. There, I know your boy. Or there, you know. So, you know, me I touch I'm on the street out there, quarantine, I feel a little walk. Yeah, man. I know I'm not used to this, you know. Yeah, man, can't stay in 14 days straight without have to walk, you know, exercise the body. Yeah, man, and get some fresh air, you know. So, come on, let's travel with me. Yeah, man. Yes, family, so you see, there, I go up on a little walk, you know, get some fresh air. Yeah, one of my subscribers actually asked for this, so I want to see the place, so I go and look how I go on. Yeah. So this is it, you know. Going for a walk, like me say. I'm a general, I go for a walk, you know. Yeah, man. This is clean Canada, you know.
Bad puppy.
Yeah.
Barracuda king.
Yeah, man. They say, boss, a bad puppy, you know. And spear fishing with Oden. Yeah, so welcome each and every one of you to Clean Canada family here. Yeah. So just relax and pray. Yeah. I say beautiful. The only thing you see is just the blossom from the trees. There are some ducks passing. Yeah, so taking you through the street of the town of Vancouver, Canada. You guys have a beautiful views, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this is what it actually look like. This is like a little thing that you catch water and maybe put some fish in, you know?
On this side where you come from? Where? You look here.
So watch me take time cross the road, you know. It's not like hometown, you know, where you carry them fly past here, you know. They have to take them time from the up on the pedestrian, you know. And let you have your time. Nice little flowers, eh? Yeah. But I can cramp up my tech thing can't move no faster. So right now we are entering the park. It's a nice park, you know, green grass, so you can come on with a nice little champagne and have a fun time with the family. Leave the kids to play, you know. Yeah, man. So welcome to my lifestyle. Like this. I like that the gardening. Very unique, very nice. So give them a thumbs up for that. Nice, isn't it? So that is what them call them duck. Oh, don't make me miss the ocean, innit? Wow, I'm so loving this tree. I don't know the name of it, but it's beautiful. I like the little mixture of the pink and the white, and then you have the little green leaves. It's so beautiful. To be honest, I'm liking this. This is my second time. Look at the ground, you know. This is my second time being at this park. I've been here last year. So when they called me for the walk, I could not turn it down, to be honest. Look at this. This is another relaxing spot for the family, to be honest. Yeah. Trust me. You know? Yeah, man. So loving it. It's beautiful. You check it out. So them say duck and him little chicks. So I go on. Yeah. Yeah. Cheer little baby ducks, huh? Having fun in the water. I'm so jealous. Make me wanna go back home to the ocean. Yeah. Yes, family, you see? Those three little baby ducks, man. I'm starting getting the miss spear fishing, trust me. Yeah. I'm a bit jealous, you know, in my feelings. You know? Wow, such a beautiful. This reminds me of some you know, some movie when you're in the jungle. Yeah, chatting and a journey. You know what I mean? Yeah, them little tree here. But at the end of the day, it's come down to beautiful. So when we say clean, they have them little garbage pan. Wherever you turn in the park, you're gonna find that. So do not just think you're gonna see you come and just throw down garbage on the ground as they feel a mind. No. Remember we're talking about clean and beautiful Vancouver, Canada. You know? Oh, I'm gonna spot some bunny. Always a dry. You wake up in the morning, you can go to your bunny pen and just play. You know. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Remember that little old saying they always say, don't throw away your stick when you cross the river. So that I go cross the river, you know. I bring my stick with me, you know. Yes, so I need it to cross back. Ooh. Hey, Duckley. Yes, family, so I just done visit the park and heading back home to the hotel. So I hope you guys full joy that little tour, Yeah man, so
log in and subscribe, brother.
yeah man. I remember to drop your comment down below and tell me what you think, And if you are watching so far, subscribe, just hit that post notification bell, And remember to also share, yeah? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man. Peace. Yes, family, so, reach back at hotel now, so go inside, and have a bad drink,
Can't go watch up more.
You see it. Yeah, man.